There was a fundamental failure by IRS management to prevent this inconsistent treatment and ensure that it was halted once management became aware. These failures have undermined the public's trust in the IRS's ability to administer the tax laws in a fair and impartial manner, and they must be corrected.
The testimony before a congressional subcommittee of the new acting director of the IRS, a man whose agency faces about 25 lawsuits at the moment. Our senior judicial analyst, Judge Andrew Napolitano, was with us.
If I'm the lawyer for the 25 plaintiffs in those 25 lawsuits, that's my opening comment. I don't have to say it myself. I just have to play the same tape to a jury that you just played. I'm happy that he's being honest, but it's damning in terms of admitting what happened and proving the plaintiff's cases against the IRS.
Bigger picture, and in the interest of all Americans, is making sure that groups which apply for tax-exempt status deserve tax-exempt status under the rules that have been established. If you don't deserve it, you shouldn't get it. That's basic. A.B. Stoddard, Associate Director of and columnist for the Hill newspaper in Washington, that's part of what this is all about. An agency in charge of something has never been in charge of something before.
Right, and that's what Mr. George, the IG, was talking about, that in formalizing the process for this, yes, there have been delays. Yes, they've asked for unnecessary information, but there's going to have to be a formal process for this to make sure that groups requesting tax-exempt status truly deserve it, and that their activities under a 501c3 are actually social welfare and they're not primarily political activity, which is not allowed by the law.
A lot of work there, Judge Napolitano.
Yes, absolutely a lot of work. Remember, the essence of the case against the IRS is that they did not treat applicants with the same level of scrutiny. They applied stricter scrutiny to the documents of conservatives than they did of non-conservatives. If they're going to apply that strict scrutiny to everybody, it's a tremendous amount of work and a tremendous cost, but it will be more fair.
And that's what this hearing and the investigations, which will no doubt follow, are all about. Putting a wrap on things on Studio B this afternoon. Of course, we'll have continuing coverage of these hearings, these very important hearings on the IRS and Capitol Hill. We'll have a complete recap for you tonight, 7 o'clock Eastern Time, 6 in the Central Time Zone on Fox Report with me. Right now, a quick